Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So students, today we will discuss about the third chapter, that is log on to assess, that is Microsoft Access. So students, first we have to discuss about that what is data. Data is anything, it's just like a record. Whatever the record you are having, that is a data. You are having your work in your notebooks, we are having your marks, that is a data. So now the first thing we will discuss that what is the database. It is an organized way of storing information. With the help of database we can easily handle large amount of data. So students, here in this picture, you can see that in this picture, it's a one container. Every data should be arranged in it in a particular way, in a particular manner, organized way. Every data, see this, these are the some wallets. These all are organized in a proper way. So database is, it is an organized way of storing your information. So what is the information you are having whenever you are organizing that in a proper way, that is called as database. So what is the example? A telephone diary. In a telephone diary, we are having so many numbers. That is also a database. Weekly test record. We are making your weekly test record sheets. That is a weekly test record. Academic records. Your record. Next is bank record. In bank, you are having so many records, just like your name, your transactions, everything. Then grocery shop record, that whatever the shops, whatever the product are available in the grocery shop, these all are the example of database. In a telephone diary we are having so many numbers, but they are arranged in a proper way according to the alphabet, so that is a database. So next is, what is DBMS? That is database management system. It stores data in such a way that it become easily to retrieve, manipulate and produce information. Retrieve मतलब ਕੱਢਣਾ, ਆਪਾਂ बहुत ਈਜ਼ੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੱਢ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਬਹੁਤ ਈਜ਼ੀ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ data from so much of data we can retrieve the particular data. It saves our time, it reduces the chances of error. With the help of database management system, there should be a no chance of the errors. Without any error we can easily handle a huge amount of data. That is a database management system. You can see the name. With the help of the name it is easily understood that what is database. Database means that whatever the data you are having, and management system, to managing the database, to managing the information. So we are having two types of database. The first is flat file database, second is relational database. So flat file database. A flat file database is a database that stores data in a plain text file. Each line of the text file hold one record. You can see this in example. There is a one person, that is a Bob, and here is an zone, residential. Matlab, these are the simple text, that is simple a one table wherever we had added some data, that is a flat file data. In a one table we have added some data, that is called as the flat file database. Next is relational database. A relational database is a type of database that stores and provides access to data points that are related to one another. It stores data in several tables, and those are connected with each other. Students, you can see that we are having, see, first, second, third and fourth. We are having four tables, but these four tables are related with each other, so it means that the single table is called as the flat file database, and the tables which are connected with each other, that is called as the relational. Means all tables are connected, only the same field is there, is a one same field, that is id. So this we will discuss afterwards at last of the chapter. So first here the thing is that this is the different type of relational database, that all different tables are connected with each other. Every table is containing a different data. not a single data. So next, what are the structure of it? That is divided into four parts: table, queries, form, and record. So first we will discuss that what is table. So see that in this example, you can see it easily. In this example, you can see it on the top. These first, this is the normal table. So see, these all the name, all the columns, these all rows are called as the record. मतलब जो कुछ भी rows ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ आ ਰਿਹਾ, that is called as the record. So what are the columns? These are the columns. These are the column values. So what is field? Field on the top here is written agent code, agent name. Without the field name, you can't write the data and insert the data in the table. These are the field. Next, forms. Forms are used for entering, modifying, and viewing record. We can easily enter or view our record. You likely have had to fill out forms on many occasions. You have filled the form of job, registration for school, doctors. So many times you need a form. So when you enter the information into a form in SS, the data goes directly exactly where the table, where the database designer wants to it. So there is a no need to again and again open the same table and write it again and again. So you just have to use the forms. You can see this form. See this, there is a search here. You will write, suppose there is a one record, 20 persons are there, and you have to add the record of 15th number. So you will use the form option. You will write here the first name and last name. You will click here new record. We will discuss about this in briefly afterwards in the next chapter. So here what is the basically what is the form? With the help of this you can easily insert information in a particular table. Report, you are having your daily report, you are having your report card, you are having you it is a useful because they allow you to present components of the database in easy to read. You can customize a report. What is a report? You are having your report card, you are received a computer printout of a class schedule, that is called as report. See here in the first name, if this is a orders, first name, last name, this is the number of a person, this is a report. You can easily create the report in Microsoft Access. Query. Query are, what is query? Query means question. Query are a way of searching for and compiling data from one or more table. Running a query is like asking a detailed question of your database. Suppose I will tell you one example. You are having 100 students in a class and you want only those students who is having the percentage above 80%. So what you will do? You will use the query option. See here in this table, you can see this is a two table, customer and orders, first name, last name, pickup date. So here you have to apply the query, that whatever the query you in criteria option, you have to apply the query, that whatever the query is yours. Just like I had told you, if your query is like that, you have the student, you want the student whose marks is above 80%, you will use the query option. So